Upload new versions of your video to Video Review. Click on the My Reviews tab to see all the videos you've created. Select the video to update. Then from the Version drop-down menu, select Add New Version. Drag and drop your video to this window, or select Browse for File, and choose the file from your computer. Add a deadline if you'd like. And a new description to replace the old one. If you manually added reviewers with their email address, this checkbox is displayed with the option to notify them of the new version. When ready, click Create and Notify. To have more control over who is notified of the new review, select Manage Reviewers and use the toggle switches. If you invited reviewers with the shareable link, remember to notify them of the new version. When you're on the review page, select the Version drop-down to view or delete previous versions. Comments are still displayed for previous versions, but no additional comments can be added. To quickly jump to the current version of the video, use this button. Well, that's all for now. To learn more about video review, check out our additional tutorials. Thanks for watching!